So now let's go to the bottom half of the table. So we have Stars and we have Hobart Hurricanes and we have Sydney Thunder and we have Sydney Sixers there. So okay, if we start with
Yeah.
Stars, they have finished at fifth. So I am a Stars fan, and before the tournament started, we were like, just going after the Stars BBL admin asking for who they have recruited, because we are not getting any news that what are their team, whereas other teams were like 15-20 members they have announced, and Stars only have 3-4 members. So in the end, finally we saw, okay, they have a team, and when we saw the team on paper, we thought that we were finishing eighth. Somehow they, when they started performing, we thought that okay, then they will not finish it. That much itna confidence aa gaya tha, because this team has performed as a unit really well. Somehow, like, not batting, but I'll say while bowling and while fielding, they were like, they performed really well. Obviously, Meg Lanning's captaincy is a plus for them, the way she has handled the resources, whatever she had. And yeah, they had few bad phases, there were ups and downs, and they were close to qualifying, but they didn't ultimately. So what do you guys think?
Go on.
Okay. So I would just say I think it is a fair result for them.
Mhm.
You were right. Like they didn't have any star power other than Lenning and
Villani.
Villani and Sutherland.
Mhm.
But credit to them, to the team management, to Meg Lenning as well, to
Mhm.
gel the players, or to let the players buy into their project. I know everyone else recruited heavily, the international stars and everything, but I guess if you trust the process, and this is what
Mhm.
it is for them, they have a core, and they can try to look forward to kick on in next season. I think the way they have
Yeah.
performed, some matches they clicked, some matches they lost were very close ones, so it, like you mentioned earlier
Mhm.
as well, could have
Mhm.
easily got into the playoffs. But
Mhm.
yeah, I mean, and Kim was very good for them,
Yeah, Kim Garth.
maybe yeah, maybe Meg Lanning not hitting top form, she was a bit inconsistent, and the
Mhm.
stars were heavily reliant on Villani and Meg Lanning giving them the start, so that was something which I'm pretty sure Lanning would be disappointed. But overall, if you look at the bigger picture, the stars
Mhm.
would be happy with where they have are
Finished.
there on the table. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree with you. Yeah, Veena, you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think Kim Garth खतरनाक फॉर्म,
खतरनाक
मतलब
मतलब
मेरी फेवरेट हो गई। मेरी फेवरेट हो गई वो WBBL देखने से।
हाँ,
लाइक स्टार्टिंग में जब उन्होंने लो स्कोर बनाया स्टार्स में, देन किम
108.
गाथ इज
I
लाइक,
remember the match.
या हाँ यस, उसमें उन्होंने वो सेव कर लिया। किम गाथ ने स्टार्टिंग के विकेट ऐसे लिए, मतलब बहुत ही। और ऑल्सो सदरलैंड ने वो किम गाथ का हेल्प किया। लाइक फ्लिंटॉफ स्टार्टिंग में फेल हुए तो सदरलैंड ने उसको हेल्प किया, और मैग ने वो कैप्टनसी संभाली। लाइक उन्होंने वहाँ पे फ्लिंटॉफ का सही यूज किया एंड में। अब फ्लिंटॉफ भी विकेट लेने लग गई जैसे स्टार्ट में।
हाँ हाँ,
तो आई थिंक
exactly, exactly.
डिजर्व करते थे कहीं ना कहीं फोर्थ में होना। जस्ट दो टू बैड गेम्स इन माय ओपिनियन, आई थिंक।
या वो
एंड
पहला
द
गेम सिक्सर्स के साथ जो था ना, वो भारी पड़ गया, लाइक दैट। वो जीतना था, एंड लास्ट में जो लास्ट बॉल वाला विकेट हिट नहीं कर पाई, अगर वो विकेट पे मार देती,
हाँ
मतलब दैट वाज अ बैड
हाँ
लक। लेकिन
या
I think we had like a pretty good. Okay, I'll say we for Melbourne Stars because I'm a Stars fan. So, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they have kind of defended very low totals. Like against past Scorchers,
या
they almost defended 122. Against Thunders, they defended 108. I mean, if you give this bowling unit 130 plus, they will defend it somehow. There were, I think, one match they lost
या
scoring 130 plus, right? So that was a pretty good effort. मतलब हम लोगों को उसकी bowling unit पे, कैप्टेंसी पे इतना भरोसा आ गया था कि ये लोग तो सब डिफेंड कर लेंगे। आई थिंक बैटिंग ही
या
मोस्टली लेट डाउन किया, क्योंकि कोई खरा नहीं हो रहा था अदर देन
या
विलानी। विलानी ने काफी कोशिश की मोस्ट ऑफ द मैचेस, बट या इट्स ओके, फाइन। आई मीन, दे हैव गिवन अस अ हैप्पी एंडिंग एटलीस्ट। टुडेस मैच वाज फैंटास्टिक, द वे दे चेस्ड
या
175. So yeah, we are good, and
या
we'll. That was someone we missed a lot, Nat Shiver and Catherine Brunt.
या
Let's see next year what happens. Okay, so next we'll talk about Hobart Hurricanes. And Hobart Hurricanes, I think,
ओहो
yeah, they finished last year, and they are having disappointing campaigns for, like, I think past 2-3 years, and they really tried reviving that by recruiting. Richa Ghosh this time, and Rachel Priest. She was the captain, but somehow it didn't click again. Like again, if Rachel Priest is not playing, or MDP, I think Migyon Dupriya, she has performed really well. Like she was the only one consistent, I'll say. But other than that, nobody clicked again. So what do you guys think? Mhm.
Batting was something eventually it creeped into other departments as well.
Mm.
They have a good fast bowler. Tyler was there and all, but
Mhm.
again, that if like you mentioned, if Priest didn't fire, it was again very dicey. Richa
Mhm.
Ghosh, I wouldn't put too much on her. She's a young
Mhm.
player coming in, but
Yeah.
she did perform initially when when the matches started, and I was actually
Mhm.
happy the way she performed.
Mm.
But then again, it went on a downward spiral for them. I'm sure that it's a bit disappointing to see where they finished. But I think some changes needs to
Yeah.
happen if they need to perform or go up the ladder, considering where they are right now. Yeah.
Right. Right.
या
Yeah, I agree.
आई थिंक प्रीस्ट इनकंसिस्टेंसी और उनको प्रॉब्लम किया। आई थिंक
Mhm.
प्रीस्ट ने स्टार्टिंग में जैसे एक 100 मारा, देन फिर पूरा डाउनफॉल रहा उनका, फिर एक बीच में स्कोर किया। लाइक प्रीस्ट ने उन्हें बीच में जो 2-3 मैच जीता है जिससे वो रेस में आए, तो दैट वाज प्रीस्ट ओनली। एंड
Mhm.
और आई थिंक रिचा की भी आउट ऑफ फॉर्म उनको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम किया। लाइक ह्यूरिकेन स्टार्टिंग में तो उनका ऐसा हो रहा था कि पहले 4-5 विकेट बस यूं जा रहे थे। नो
हाँ.
वन नो वन इज एबल टू स्कोर अ 10 रन अबव दैट। तो
Yeah.
बिल्कुल ही खराब रहा उनका कैंपेन। लाइक देखते ही खत्म हो रहा था मैच, उनका ये हाल हो रहा था। तो शायद आई थिंक कैप्टनसी प्रॉब्लम मे बी।
I think they didn't click properly. I mean, I don't know if something clicked.
Mhm.
The other department didn't click. I don't know what it
Mhm.
was, but it didn't look like a
या
cohesive unit. It was always like bits and
Mhm.
parts were clicking here and there. But then
या
again, it doesn't let you win matches unless obviously you
Mhm.
score a hat trick or something, or you score a blinder of 100 run, and then eventually you win it. But again, in this competition, which is very tough, you have to perform consistently throughout it. So yeah,
True,
I
true.
hope
Yeah.
they do it better next year.
So now, if we talk about Sydney Thunders had again, like they didn't have a bad team, I'll say. I think the thing that affected them most is losing Rachel Haynes at the last moment. Like they have planned with like keeping her in mind in squad, and then suddenly she could not come, and that thing I feel affected a lot. Like the captaincy is a huge
Absolutely.
difference. And then another thing is, if you like, she is one of the most experienced batters. I think if Rachel Haynes was in that middle order, the scenario would have been a lot different. Like Smriti
Different.
Mandana is the
या
only one from their team who has scored runs, I'll say. Like in the at least the last phases, she has almost regularly scored, other than the last match. And Sammy Jo Johnson is again, she had a bad league this time. Like last year, the way she performed, this time it wasn't like that. Like she didn't click at all. And then Hannah Darlington again had a good, yeah, I'll say, but again she didn't have much support. So what do you think for Sydney Thunders?
I think you hit the nail on the head basically.
Mm.
Losing your captain on the eve of the tournament is a big thing, and I
Yeah.
think it took them like 2 or 3 matches, just to get over that. If you
Mm-hmm.
will see, I think Thunders were the last team who won the match. Their
Mm-hmm.
first match, it took them some time,
Yeah.
and rightly mentioned that
Mm-hmm.
Rachel, she is a big player, and if you lose her on the eve, it changes everything. But yeah, like you mentioned, they had a good team.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that captain was missing, and I think Hannah did a good job coming in at the last moment, stepping up as a captain. Smriti again was the one who scored runs for them.
Mm-hmm.
I think that she got many starts initially, if you talk about it, but was
Mm-hmm.
not able to convert them into big
Big
scores,
scores,
which
yeah.
she would have. Yeah, she would have wanted.
Mm-hmm.
Deepti
30s and
Sharma
40s, yeah.
again, yeah,
Mm.
Deepti Sharma again was very useful to them. But again, if you are losing Heather Knight, if you are losing, she was there right last
Yeah,
year,
yeah,
and
yeah. Heather Knight.
that's That's a big,
Big
big,
role,
big
yeah.
thing, yeah. And then you lose your captain on the eve. So yeah, I mean, it took it is a big blow for them. But yeah, I expected them to
Hmm.
be a bit higher, if not qualify. But I hope they
Hmm.
would at least be above the Hobbit Hurricanes. But yeah, I mean, disappointing campaign for them.
Yeah.
If I look at the Indian players, happy with the way they performed. Like they did get Player of the Matches award. I think Deepti got twice or thrice, or similar to
I think,
Smriti
yeah,
as
I
well.
think all Radha, Richa, and Poonam Yadav, other five has got. Like Shafali has got, Jimmy,
Yeah,
Harman,
yeah,
Smriti,
yeah,
obviously. Okay,
yeah.
Smriti's
So
innings, 114. We have to talk about that.
my God, I was
Yeah.
like in awe. I was
Blown
like,
away.
what is she? And yeah, and just disappointing because that inning
Ah,
deserved a win. Yeah, I mean, it was actually, I feel like, the Australians, they were like Indian को Indian के against pit करके, मतलब वो जो अंग्रेजों वाला होता है ना कि इन दोनों को इनको आपस में खड़ा कर दो, आपस में मर मरा जाएंगे और हमारा काम हो जाएगा. मुझे ऐसा
oh
लगा वहां
God.
पे. Funny, it was funny how, I mean, and then again we say कि
Hmm.
दूसरे देशों के लीग्स में जाके हमारी खिलाड़ी इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं और अपने देश में धन
नहीं हो
धन
पा रहा
गोपाला हो
है
रहा है.
सच्ची में.
एग्जैक्टली. तो बहुत दुख होता है, बट ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है उसके लिए. बट एब्सोल्युटली सुपर परफॉर्मेंस. दैट 100 वाज आइसिंग ऑन द केक फॉर
Amazing,
स्मृति.
amazing. If
द
she just had
शॉट्स,
a little support from other end, she would have won the match. There were just 2 wickets
yeah,
down. Yeah,
it was so close. And credit to Harman as well. The
obviously, yeah,
way she
defended
bowled
13
that
runs. Yeah.
last over, and for a change, when that catch went down, she
Mhm.
I was shocked. She didn't say anything. Like cool as a cucumber, and that was a good thing. I mean, I don't know what happened to her. What is going on? What are they giving to her? But and the way, I mean, we have never seen her bowl in the power play, and she bowled and she got wickets as well.
Yeah,
So good for us. Deepti again doing her bit. Some bowling, catching, and runs as well. Some handy runs as well.
some
So
handy runs.
good
Yeah.
for happy with how the Indians at least performed in Thunder team. Yeah.
Yeah. Same here, same here. I'm also happy with the Indians, the way they performed in Thunder. I think even PY in Brisbane Heat, she also did pretty good. Harmanpreet and Jemima, to like hands up there, they done fantastic. I'll say.
I was so happy with how PY has performed. She was not there in the Indian team because
Mhm.
the runs were not coming. But the way she came in,
Crucial
got the wickets,
wickets.
crucial
Yeah,
wickets in fact,
yeah.
and the love showed by the team to her as well. Calling her Simba and all. So it was absolutely lovely to see that. So I'm the fan of Brisbane Heats. With that celebration of Simba
Yeah.
lifting PY. So it's just good.
या वीना आपको कुछ कहना है थंडर के बारे में?
या आई थिंक थंडर में तो दीप्ति और स्मृति ने शाइन किया है बिल्कुल. एंड उसके बाद फिर हन्ना डार्लिंगटन ने लाइक दीप्ति बॉलिंग से भी फर्स्ट और 2 मैच और उसने बैटिंग से भी बहुत ही अच्छे खेले थे. लाइक हम लोग अमेजिंग हो गए थे कि ये दीप्ति है क्या.
10 बॉल में 23 मारे थे.
और या खतरनाक बिल्कुल, आके एक इधर एक उधर, फर्स्ट क्लास फॉर्म में थी. आई थिंक थंडर का वही था कि अगर स्मृति आउट होती है तो फिर नीचे कोई संभालने वाला नहीं बचता है उनके पास, क्योंकि हाउस नहीं है और कोई एक अच्छा और एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर नहीं बचता है उनके पास. तो आई थिंक वही एक प्रॉब्लम है थंडर का, तो इसलिए वो लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाए बैटिंग वाइज. बाकी अच्छी टीम थी.
Yeah, let's see. Hopefully next year when Hens is back, they will come back also. Now, if you go to the extreme bottom of the table in the last team, I think that is the most shocking position for any team. But like for the teams that where we thought they will be, this is the most shocking result, that Sydney Sixers has finished last. And Sydney Sixers is the team. They started recruiting like months back, and they had taken everyone. Like I even commented under their tweet that who else is left? Whom are you going? Like all the good domestic players. Like if you see their bowling lineup, they have Lauren Chittle, they have Maitland Brown, they have Stella Campbell, they have Ellis Perry. Like all of them played for Australia. And currently, like Maitland Brown is currently in the Australian squad, and Stella Campbell and Ellis Perry is playing for Australia right now. And if you look at their batting lineup, they have Alyssa Healy, they have Shafali Verma, like two of the most destructive T20I batter right now in women's cricket. And then they have Ashley Gardner, another destructive batter. And then they have Ellis Perry. They have signed Nicole Bolton this year. Like she is another, like what can I say, a big, like in Australia, like she has also played for Australia. And then they had Erin Burns as well. Unfortunately, Erin Burns couldn't take part due to quarantine rules and all. And they had Radha Yadav also, another Indian international. And even after having this kind of a team, they finished last. So where did it go wrong? I don't think anywhere they went right. That is one team I don't find any positives from. All other teams there were some positives, but for this one I didn't. So I could only find the wrong. So yeah, we'll start with
हाँ पॉलेमी, मतलब हमारी सिक्सर्स की टीम ने खून के आंसू रुला दिए. अब तुम भी एक एक गिन के हमें याद दिलाओ सब कुछ कि ये था. But totally agree with you. मतलब look on paper, I think it was the strongest team. If you go and see, you know, the firepower they have. The firepower they have in batting, in bowling, everything was there. Somehow it just didn't click at all. Like, you know, I don't know what it was. First thing was their management. I'm absolutely shocked. I understand that Shefali maybe didn't score in the initial few matches. I think in the she scored 50 in the second match or something. I don't remember exactly.
Among the
third or something, right? And then maybe a string of not so good runs, and then they drop her to the middle order, which was absolutely shocking. If you put the, you know, world number 1 T20I batter in the middle order, just doesn't make any sense. And the opening partnership which they got for, you know, Perry and Healy, even that didn't do that well. I mean, I think only in a couple of matches they were able to string a partnership, but that was also not that fast, if you see. And Ash she had a horrible tournament, like, you know, coming in at number 3. I mean, absolutely shocking tournament for her. And talking about Shefali, I think dropping her down the order was a horrible move. I don't know who or what they were thinking, giving her that role. I don't think it was a good one. I think Lisa also on commentary said that why would you drop her down the order? It did not make any sense. And Radha was good for them. The way she bowled, I mean, we know she's a great fielder, you know, always a live wire. So that was good for her because she didn't get any matches, if I'm not wrong, during the tour of Indian team to Australia. So good for her. But overall, very disappointing. As a Sixer fan, I am, like you all know, if you don't know, very disappointing. But hopefully maybe next year will do better. Because I know this team, because the team they have does not deserve to be in the bottom. They deserve to be in the top 4, according to me.
Yeah, I agree with you. Veena?
Yeah, I think जो स्टार्स के पास स्टार्स लिए ना, वो आई थिंक सिक्सर्स ने उठा लिए थे सारे.
Yes. स्टार्स के पास स्टार्स नहीं थे.
हाँ ना, क्योंकि सिक्सर के पास तो ऐसा कोई बचा ही नहीं था कि जो अच्छा प्लेयर ना हो, है ना. और फिर वो ऐसे आ रहे हैं. और आई थिंक हीले एंड शेफाली आर द रीजन जो भी मैच वो जीते हैं. अचानक किसी भी कुछ मैचों में हीले ने स्कोर किया, उसमें वो जीते हैं. फिर शेफाली ने स्कोर किया, फिर उसमें वो जीते हैं. वरना बाकी तो बस पैरी कंसिस्टेंट रही है, लाइक एंकर रोल. लाइक स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा हो रहा था कि हाँ नहीं मरना चाहिए, इतना स्लो नहीं जाना चाहिए, बट एंड में दिख रहा था कि पूरे सिक्सर ही फ्लॉप आ रहा है, तो फिर कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं बचता.
नहीं, the point is कि her innings were not useful in a T20. That's what I felt. मतलब उनका ऐसा नहीं कि wickets down होता था. They will be like 2 wickets down, but 10 overs में 45. So you cannot be 45 in 10 overs when you have 2 wickets down, right? I mean, that was a mistake they did. They played the power play slow. Like I think there were 10 continuous matches for Perry where her strike rate didn't go above 100, and that is, I'll not put all the blames on Perry, because maybe it was her role to play like that, and the people around her should have played aggressive shots, and none of them performed. Like Healy is not performing, Shafal is not performing, Gardner is not performing. All of them are like destructive batters, and they should have, at least one should have performed with Perry, but nobody did. So Perry had to
I think
Yeah.
the main reason
Like
for
the
Sixers not
Mhm.
in the top four I
Mhm.
won't blame Shifali for that. I would say the Australian players who were there,
Mhm.
they were supposed to step up. I think none of them did. Either one, whenever one of them did, the others
Mhm.
didn't step up.
Yeah. So.
Ash was, I mean, that was a shocker for me. The way she had this tournament, I think coming in at number
Mhm.
three, I
Mhm.
think that's the job of number three, right? You, if
Mhm.
you lose the first wicket, you
Mhm.
have to either score quickly or
Mhm.
see how it is, and then and she wouldn't. She just had a horrible tournament, I would say. And again for Perry, yeah, I mean it's like you score runs, but it didn't help the team, so it doesn't matter much
Exactly.
if it
Didn't
doesn't
count. It didn't count.
help
Yeah.
your
If you
team.
finish at 120, those will not work.
या आई थिंक और शेफाली के साथ तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि पहले ओपनिंग देन मिडल फिर वापस ओपनिंग देन
हाँ तो
वापस
उनको
ओपनिंग वाला तो ब्लेंडर लगा मुझे कि मतलब ये क्या ही कर रहे
और
हैं
वो भी
इसको
एक मैच के
कोई
लिए
मतलब
लाइक राइट एक मैच
हाँ
के लिए लेके आए फिर
हाँ
पेरी आगे फिर
हाँ
आज शफाली को डाल दिया तो दे आर
हाँ
लाइक
वही
It
इतना
doesn't help the players as well. I think the roles were not clear, or the management
या
itself didn't know what to
आई
do with
थिंक
the all the stars in the team. They didn't know
और
what to do.
एग्जैक्टली
एंड ऑल्सो गार्डनर इज ऑन डस्ट एवरी डे बहुत
yeah
ज्यादा
yeah
दिन
yeah series
ब्लेंडर
of
को
ducks
डस्ट
like today she got dropped I guess she was not in the team. Yeah, she didn't. I saw the
Too
scorecard
late.
just to see that if the Gardner scored some runs today, but she wasn't there.
As a
So,
Sixer fan, too late. Too late for us. Should have done better earlier. I don't know.
yeah, better
बट
luck next
बट
time.
हम
हाँ,
बट हमने
बोलिए.
कहा था ऐसे अच्छे जो अच्छी टीम होती है ना वो ऐसे चोक कर जाती है तो हमने कहा था कहीं सिक्सर चोक ना करे
हाँ एग्जैक्टली आई
और वही
रिमेम्बर वी वर डिस्कसिंग इट कि इतने प्लेयर्स वो लोग रह रहे थे ना ऑल द स्टार्स एंड ऑल द डोमेस्टिक गुड प्लेयर्स और द इंटरनेशनल तो लग रहा था कि काफी ना ये क्या होता है ना जेल करने में मुश्किल हो जाता है यंग टीम को ग्रूम करना इजी है लाइक स्टार्स ने जो किया एकदम
Correct. Correct.
इनएक्सपीरियंस था एंड दे डिड द बेस्ट लास्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ द शो सो आई विल आस्क यू जस्ट two questions. First one is which batter did impress you the most and which bowler did impress you the most, like someone I want to hear someone's name whom you didn't know from before and in this WBBL you became their fan, so that kind of name, right? So who is the batter and who is the
या
bowler
आई
for you?
आई थिंक मैंने तो बता ही दिया रेडमाइनी इज द बैट्समैन जिसने
Okay.
सबसे ज्यादा इम्प्रेस किया लाइक हमेशा स्कोर किया उसने टीम के लिए और जीता एंड किम गाथ इज द बॉलर आई थिंक
Yeah, I think for me also Kim Gath is the bowler, so I'll come to the batter later. Swati?
Same for me. Kim. I mean, I had heard the name, but not that much. And then the way she performed for Stars, it
Mm-hmm.
was amazing to see. So definitely Kim for me as well
Yeah,
for a bowler.
and batter?
Batter, I mean, see,
Hmm.
I was most impressed by Harman, but I
No,
know her
Harman to we
before
know,
itself.
like she is.
But she wasn't there initially there in the
Hmm.
Indian team too,
Hmm.
right? And I was a bit worried how she would perform coming into the
Hmm.
WBBL. But
Hmm.
she performed amazing.
Hmm.
And if you want me to say
Hmm.
someone who I didn't know, I
Hmm.
think I know most of them. Like maybe
Hmm.
I'll say Katie Mack, but
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, I would say she's the one who impressed
Hmm.
me.
That
I'm
is,
not
yeah, she was in the Phoenix team, Birmingham Phoenix. Like she was one of the overseas,
okay.
but there she didn't play like this. This
She,
time she was a
yeah,
rock star.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
she's the one. Like I was
Hmm.
actually impressed the way she came in and
Hmm.
performed.
For me, I think one batter that impressed me is Georgia Wall. She's a teenager, and the way she played in some of the matches that I saw, like her shots, I'll say, like perfect executions were there. So that is, yeah, I remember that shot, right? So
She
yeah,
hold the
I would,
pose for the cameras.
yeah, she did hold the post for the camera. So I would like to see more of Georgia Wall in the future. So she is one, and obviously bowler will be Kim Garth, hands down. And another person whom I knew from before, that is Izzy Wang. She also impressed me with that match where she just went, bar sack and sixes after sixes. That was like, I think
Yeah,
she is a,
that was
yeah,
crazy match. I was like,
crazy, crazy, crazy. I
what's
loved
going
that
on?
match. Loved that match.
Yeah.
That innings also deserved a win. Fantastic
Do you
performance.
think she will get in the Ashes squad?
I think so. I think two players that will get in the Ashes is Easy Wang, and I mean they will be in the squad, and I think here Alana King will get a call. That's what I think. I'm
Yeah,
not sure.
Lana, she has been great, but again, I wonder
Hmm.
who will move out of their team
Let's
from.
see. And I hope it's Villani as well. Villani gets a call back because she had a
Please, please,
wonderful,
please.
yeah,
Yes,
like she
yes.
had
I
a good
want her in.
WNCL, she had a WBBL, hopefully. Okay, then we'll go for the next prediction. Who, according to you, will play the finals and who is going to win? Like, okay, win, I'll give you two chances whom you want to win and who you think will win.
Okay, it's very simple for me. So see, I have my Indian players at my heart, you know. So
Yeah,
I want either Melbourne or Heat to win. That's very
okay.
easy for me.
Huh.
I don't want a final in which there is strikers and Perth. But
Scorchers.
again, if yeah,
Scorchers is
and
already in the
again
finals. You cannot do anything.
yeah. So exactly. So I mean, if strikers, I don't want Perth to win. Simple as that.
Okay.
Because even in strikers, I have shooters, so I'll still have something for me. But I don't want Perth to win at all. I don't know why they didn't pick any Indian players. These teams should have at least picked one Indian player. We have so many there. So yeah,
Yeah, all eight
it's
teams should have one player, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Swati is
Actually,
very
it would
bad,
have
huh?
been easy for someone like me, na. You
Swati
know,
is a Scorchers fan. It's Swati, not
Oh,
Swati. Sorry,
I'm
Veena is a
crying.
Scorchers fan.
Veena, it's okay, na. Veena, so chalega. So it's good. We have some different, things here.
But Scorchers is winning, okay?
Okay, Veena, your
Bhagwan,
prediction.
Bhagwan, please.
Your
I think
prediction.
Scorchers will. I think
Win.
Scorchers will win.
Uh-huh.
And final, I think Renegades will be.
Renegades. And you want also Scorchers to win, right? Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
it's,
I
it's
want
quite
Scorchers
simple
to
for
win.
you.
The only thing I feel like is that 1 week gap might be an issue for them, don't you think?
What?
Because they won't
Yeah,
be
yeah,
playing.
yeah. That
That
is the
one
thing.
week
They
gap.
1 week gap, and the other
practice
team
करेंगे
will
वो
be in
लोग.
a momentum. In T20, momentum is very important. Everybody says so. So the team that will keep like win the match before, and they will come into the finals. So it's like we have seen the same thing in 100, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Hope,
Yeah, I
hope ऐसा
also
ना हो.
huh? Hope as now. Hi, past coaches, you have Mooney. I mean, Mooney cannot go wrong. This year, Mooney just cannot go wrong. See, I also want Melbourne Renegades to win. Okay, as simple as that. It has Jamie and Herman. I really want
Yeah,
them to win a trophy to have that confidence going into the World Cup. These things help you. If you are like winning a trophy and coming into the World Cup, that will push them more. So I definitely want Melbourne Renegades to win. Then, but I really think that Scotches has a better chance because like if you think practically because they have all the areas covered, they have batting covered, they have bowling covered, they have spin department, they have seam department, everything is perfect. And Renegades is really
yeah,
I think their bowling is a little concern for them. Like they have licked a lot of runs, like their opponents sometimes have scored a lot. So yeah, let's see what
yeah.
happens, but I think the Renegades versus Scotches will be the final, and then we'll see who wins. Interesting matches to look forward to this week, and let's
Yes.
hope the best team wins. Thank you,
Yes.
Swati.
Yeah.
Thank you, Veena, for
Renegades.
coming. Okay.
Thanks for calling me. Thanks,
Thanks.
Veena. Nice talking to you guys.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye.